Ayan, hello guys, good morning sa inyong lahat mga idol. Ay maulan na umaga, harvest tayo mga idol ng pang-ulam. Ayan guys, harvest tayo nito mga idol oh. Ayan. Ayan siya guys, pwede lang. Masarap to guys, nilalaga lang. Tapos may sausawan na tuyo mga idol. Okay na to. Yun guys oh, daming bunga. Saktong sakto lang ito ilaga mga idol. Yan guys oh, sakto lang siya kasi ano pa, yung maliit pa ba. Ito kasi yung bagay na ulam talaga sa akin mga idol, dahil ito yung ano ng doktor sa akin, gulay lang daw siya guys oh. Harvest muna ako mga idol. Ayun guys oh, ang daming bunga mga idol oh. Hirap kasing kunin guys. So, ayan, namumulaklak siya. Ayan guys oh. Ayan. Ayan po guys oh. Ayan, daming bunga. Guys.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can. Surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do.
Guys, ang hirap di maabot. Kasi guys oh. Ay, grabe po. Tama na to guys. Guys, meron na guys pantino